Good morning, you guys. Beautiful morning. A little overcast. Sun's rising right now, and a couple of my friends already on the water already. And this is the place. The big monster snapped my line a couple of years ago. Probably 5 years ago. I know that one is total. I couldn't get him up. He keep dying down until my line snapped. I believe I used 20 pounds that time. And I caught with 20-pound test line before, but that one's got to be a really big one. And the second time that I got my line snapped, it ran sideways, keep pulling, drag non-stop. I knew that one was a striper. So far I've been fishing only 2 times that I snapped my line. You have to set your drag right. If you don't set it right, you're gonna snap your lines every time. So yeah, to talk, you tend not to set your drag loose. You don't want them to take to the rock, but yeah, you have to deal with that. And big one will snap your line. So from the past experience, my friend, the ordinary outdoorsman, this year 3 big monster broke his lines. So he used 20 pounds. So he said now he's gonna change it to 30 pounds line. So yeah, I recommend 30-pound line should be good. And yeah, I don't use anything heavy than 30 pound, 40 pound. I don't even use 50 pounds. So that's not really a thing that you can handle with the 30 pound, 40 pound line and 40 pound leader line, you know. That's what from my past experience. And yeah, so thank you guys for joining me on the water. Yeah, I'm so grateful and that you guys share and subscribe to my channel. Yeah, let me tell you about my channel. I do kayak fishing, saltwater, freshwater, mostly freshwater. Gotta learn how to do more in mostly saltwater. Gotta learn to do more in freshwater. I do ice fishing, crabbing, a little DIY stuff. So I'm like a kayak on a budget. I don't use high-end expensive gear. So have any question? Everything you see on the kayak here, I mostly DIY'd it. So any question, leave on the comment down below. And yeah, once again, I really appreciate it, you guys. All right, I see you guys back when the action started. Okay, fish on, you guys. First fish. It's not a keeper, but at least it's a good sign. And now I'm here. All right, first talk. First talk. First talk, you guys. I love overcast. I usually produce with overcast. So found a spot to stay here for a while. Hopefully the big one's coming. Oh, they bite right away. They know I'm here now. my friends are coming. Look at this guy. Caught one short. What? Tom and Norm's over there.
What do you figure? Should we set up over here with you or head over that way?
I don't know. I saw something on my fish finder, so that's why I stopped here. I was gonna go a little further looking for that spot.
Yeah. Oh, it's a little further out?
Yes.
Okay.
Fish on.
There you go. Oh, look at that. There you go.
Fish on. I guess they found me now. Another short. They are fun to catch, guys. Oh my God. Oh, on my stiff rod. Back to back, Tom.
How big?
Oh, this one's short too. But another short one. A little bigger. 3 short ones. Whoa. I smell the bait now. I haven't chummed them with my dead crabs yet, guys. So hopefully it's a short day for me. I set up my mackerel rod there. Hopefully go find a 50 feet deep water looking for mackerel. Wow, they bite every drop. Jeez. Another short. All right, you guys. 3 short one already. I'm gonna turn off my GoPro and waiting for the one that pulled my drag. This one's gotta be a keeper, you guys. It pulled drag a little bit. It pulled real hard. It's gotta be a keeper. Yeah. Okay. Let's measure you. Whoa. Let's measure you. Probably 17. Oh, 16 3/4. This one's a keeper. You go into the bag. if they are keeper. They pull harder than the others. My first keeper here. My first keeper. Been here like 15 minutes. 15 minutes. I caught my first keeper. I see them on my fish finder. Oh my God, there's more coming. I put the other rod, I put live bait. I mean, I didn't even catch the crab. If the one that take that, it's gotta be a monster to take a live crab, because usually the crab fight back. The small one don't want to really, you know, the crab pinch them back. That's why nothing doing over there with the other rod. But so far, every drop, I see them on my fish finder. Some big one down there. I gotta bite again. Yes. Maybe that's my second keeper. Oh, that one's a keeper too. That one's a keeper too, girl. Less than 5 minutes. Oh, really hooked. Less than 5 minutes. You a keeper, about the same size. Caught my second keeper. They both 16 3/4.
Hey, that's a start. They've been eating fish.
I guess they found me. Big bait, big fish. This 400 works very good, you guys. The setup, skid reach, right and McGill rod and Piscifon, 400, 30-pound test braid, Power Pro. I missed that one. They're coming back. Look at this. Wow, he pulling. He pulling. You shake the head. This got to be bigger than those two. Are they same size again? This one a little short, 16 on the line. This one over. I left this one on my rod holder. It just hooked himself, you guys. This one's gotta be a keeper. Yes, this has gotta be bigger than the other one. Yes, you about 18. Oh, the other one by 2, you guys. God dang. Oh, this one 18. small one. Back to back. Oh, wow. Oh, his tail got cut off. Oh man. Look at this guy. This one about 18. Let's measure you. Like I said, it's 18. Caught my first 18. This is about to get really interesting. It's the big one coming up. First sign. Oh, look at this, you guys, on my fish finder. See that? Wow, I don't know what that is. But they show up. They show up, you guys. Oh, bite again. Oh, I missed it. Gee, hope I still have bait. I hope I still have bait. Look like I still have bait. Oh, gone. My bait's gone. My bait's gone. That 18 pulled the drag, you guys. I haven't get a chance to chump them. With my dead crab, every week they die. I save them so I can bring over here and feed them. And just found a spot and non-stop action. I didn't film the, look at this, all this juicy, they love that. See that? I'm gonna catch a keeper with that one. With all that delicious, yummy yellow yolk there. Whoa, this one dropping. Bite right away, come on. Take a run. And no big one. Small one. A lot of them, you guys. Oh, come on. Can I get anything? 20? I just saved my battery. This one didn't pull hard. I thought it was not a keeper, not a good fight, and then they start fighting at the end, you guys. I just turned my GoPro back on because it didn't really fight that. He's about 18. It's a good size. Oh, wow. Measure you. Yeah, almost 18. All the juicy one in there. Hopefully I can catch a nice adventure. I'm looking for that one that snapped my lines, you guys. 5 years ago, I think. Yeah. I put the stinky dead bait there. Nothing touch it. Good morning.
How are you?
Good.
Beautiful day.
Yes. Yes, indeed. We haven't had that much good day on the weekend. Always bad, you know.
Yes. Good luck. There you go.
Oh, well, I'm just talking you guys to a guy over here, and he took my bait. I don't know, this one probably a keeper too. Something tapped on my stinky dead crab over there. Oh, he's a good size. It's a good size. Yes, this is over 18. Oh, what a nice quality fish, you guys. Look at this.
Nice fish.
Thanks. It's about 18. How you guys doing over here? How's you guys doing over here? Oh, nice. Oh, big one?
How you doing?
Any sea bass?
All sorts, like 16.
Yeah.
I got nothing. You're doing good.
Oh, you didn't get any?
Nothing. All shorts.
I caught over there, right? Like 40 minutes. I limited out, but the 16 and a half, close to 17. So I let them go. I get only the like 17 or 18.
Right.
So Pat, you limit out?
One more?
One more. I'm trying to looking for sea bass. I put squid now.
Squid?
Yeah.
Yeah, we do hit on mackerel.
Yeah. All right, you guys. It's a good day. Met a couple friends on the water. Yeah. I didn't catch any monster. Looking for that big monster that snapped my line a couple years ago. I couldn't find him. Tom have a good day. Look at that. Oh, wow.
That's 23 3/4.
Nice. How many you got?
Approximately 8.5 pounds. Well, I had 4, but I had to give one away. So
Yeah. Okay.
the other one was, I don't know, 22, I think.
Yeah.
Well, you know, you can't keep 2 of them.
Yeah. I limit out, but nothing over 19 inches.
Holy cow, that one came on, man. Oh, it's unbelievable. What a tank. What a brute,
Yeah. I'm trying to looking for sea bass right now.
right?
Yeah. I go a little further over there and then make my way back to the launch.
Oh, is that it for you?
Yeah, I already limit out.
On sea bass?
No, to talk.
Oh, on Tautog, okay.
So I want to go home and rest, and I'll be here tomorrow again.
Nice going. Good to see you, Long.
Nice to see you. I released a lot of 16 and a half, almost 17 this morning.
Yeah,
And I'm surprised a lot of people didn't get it.
I know.
Norm didn't get the fish.
He didn't?
You know, and my other friend over there from my town, there are 2 guys, one of them need 1 more and the other guy 0.
Wow.
How come?
Guess we're good.
have a fantastic day on the water, you guys. I could have go home early, way early, but just want to hang around with my fellow angler, have a good camaraderie, and yeah, enjoy a nice overcast day. Looking for sea bass, blue or whatever, and look like it's not gonna be. They already left to way out deep water, I think. So, yeah.
Keep a sea bass. I just lost it.
Oh wow, they're around here then.
I just had one. That was my first one. Got too excited.
Let me hang around here for a while. All right, you guys.